Good morning, welcome to another beautiful day in Osaka.
And beautiful it definitely is. Today we are going to share with you our experience of using the 2-day Osaka Amazing Pass that costs us 5,500 yen each to find out, is it value for money or is it an absolute tourist trap?
And stick around to the end to find out all the hints and tips that we discovered with using this pass.
What worked, what didn't work, and how we fixed it.
So we're in Osaka Castle Gardens. If you are running short of time, this is probably one that you can give a miss to, unless there's a special event on like the cherry blossoms. The summer event has just finished, so pretty much just a gardens at the moment, so yeah, nothing too spectacular.
The entrance to Osaka Castle is different to the entrance to the garden, so we're going to cross this little bridge and head up to the entrance of the castle.
Our first stop is Osaka Castle, that was built in 1583 by a powerful feudal lord whose name I won't try and butcher. This is a modern recreation now of that building, and we're going to head on inside and see what it looks like.
It is very busy.
So there's two ways. You can walk to the top via stairs or grab the elevator. We're grabbing the elevator, but no matter what, you have to walk downstairs unless you are disabled.
The elevator brings you up to the 5th floor, but you do have to climb the last 2 flights of stairs to be able to get to the viewing platform on the top, and there's a full 360 view over Osaka City.
So having the Osaka Pass has allowed us to skip a lot of the queues waiting to buy tickets.
It did save us plenty of time.
Yep.
The inside of the castle is a museum. There's several floors that have different exhibits. 2 of the floors you aren't allowed to film in there, and we did have to walk up those last 2 flights of stairs and then walk the 7 flights down.
There is wheelchair access if you need that, but yeah, again, you've got to wait to be able to get that access. So
yeah, having the pass was definitely a benefit with being able to get in there quicker.
yes. So in the castle grounds is the Kyoto Figure Museum, which is also part of the Osaka Free Pass, and we're going to go and have a look. When you enter the figure museum, you do get a free commemorative coin to use in the gachapon machines. Alice's Tea Party Part 2. I got the Mad Hatter.
This is a bargain, considering you got it for free. Oh, anticipation. Like Christmas. I got
The Walrus.
mine's ugly. Can I try again?
That was our tour of the figurine museum. What did you think?
I thought that if you've got kids, it's a great place to visit, even as an adult. And if you like tiny little things, I enjoyed it. Not that tiny little thing, but I actually really enjoyed it. We didn't spend a lot of time in there, but it's right next to the castle, so it's an easy drop in. And best of all, we've got a gift to take away free.
With our free gachapons, which are about 500 yen each normally, so it's a bargain.
Yep, if you get in the pass, drop in here while you're in the area. Having a pit stop at Tully's coffee shop, which is just where the museum is. I've got myself a ginger ale float. I'm a bit worried because I don't like ginger, but I do like ginger ale. And and they seem to have put ginger syrup with soda water and then ice cream. She did say mix it up first. Uh-oh, it's foaming. I think it's going to overflow. Oh, that's gingery. 2 cakes and 2 ginger ale floats cost us 2,102 yen. Not a cheap pit stop, but definitely a well-needed pit stop. A short walk from the Osaka Castle is the Osaka Peace Museum. We're going to go and check inside. It's included in the pass and see what's on display.
So we're inside the Osaka Peace Museum, which is a small museum just about the atrocities of war and what happened to Osaka in particular during World War II. Our next stop is the Umeda Sky Building.
Free with the Osaka Amazing Pass. You do need to make sure you're here before 3 p.m. though, because tickets are only valid until that time. We are going to be heading up there.
So on top of the Umeda Sky Building, there's a 360-degree walkway to watch all the views. We've stopped at Chicken 298 for lunch. We've had to use a lot of Google Translate to help us, but the good thing is it comes with beer. How was lunch?
Food was good. We didn't quite get what we thought we had ordered, but what we did get did taste nice, and it was even better to rest our very sore, tired feet. Next stop is off to the HEP 5 shopping centre and the HEP 5 Ferris wheel. Can't miss it, it's right behind us, big red thing poking out the top of a building.
We're on the HEP 5 Ferris wheel. It is quite noisy, so please...
Sorry about the audio.
And I'm petrified of heights, and I think we're 160 metres when we get to the top, and there's still a way to go yet, and God help us.
I think it was 106. I think you're catastrophizing.
54 extra metres, we're going to be dead one way or the other if this falls over.
Some lovely views. We're on the Tombori River Cruise, free with the Osaka Amazing Pass. The skies are very grey, we'll pan up in a minute, and we have plastic coats. Not sure if I want to share that with the world on YouTube. Let's see how this goes.
It's gonna be raining, okay? It's okay, have fun. 皆さんも on the bridge いただきます。No kidding, I know.
I think they should subscribe just because we look ridiculous.
Speak for yourself, I can pull this off, no problems.
Right, we've just gotten off the river cruise. It was excellent.
Great, it was great.
They had it in Japanese and in English, and the tour guide as such, he did an absolutely fantastic job. Don't miss doing this. It's the first time
We've done it.
We've done it.
Yeah.
We've been to Osaka 20 plus times.
Yeah.
Make sure you do it.
And we beat the weather. Just.
That's day one of our Osaka Amazing Pass done and dusted. How much did we spend to save today, Simon?
So for all of our admission fees today, it would have cost us 6,150 yen, plus all of our subway trips in between each venue.
We will calculate those onto the video. We're just not doing them in our heads today. We would have also have done the Osaka Museum of Housing and Living, which is actually a really good museum to go and visit. We've been there before, but it was closed for some reason. And we were also going to do the art museum in the Ameda Sky Building, but we got a little bit hungry.
We did.
Now, we'll put the day two into a separate video, and if you want to see what those tips and tricks were and what we struggled with using the digital pass and how we got around what didn't work, tune into that next video. It'll be out next week. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.